God, that's the third paper!
Tell me how I'm supposed to breathe with no air. If I should die before I wake, it's 'cause you took my breath away.
Hey! Hippies! Keep it down!
Here's Johnny.
Hey! Hey, good thing you got rid of that typewriter last month. This computer has so much more features.
Oh yeah, I wonder if Nick is using it.
Nick, did you finish that sales report yet? You know you have to do it by tonight.
Hey! Hey!